What if I told you there are free AI tools that can save you hours of work every single day? Some people are using them to write content, create videos, design graphics, generate voiceovers, and even organize their entire lives. And the craziest part? Most people still don't know these tools exist. So today I'll show you 7 free AI tools that feel almost illegal to know. Let's start with the one that changed the internet. First up is ChatGPT. This AI assistant can write, explain, brainstorm, and solve problems in seconds. Instead of spending hours writing emails, reports, or social media posts, you can type a prompt like, write a professional email asking for a meeting, and ChatGPT instantly generates a well-written response. But that's just the beginning. People are also using it to generate YouTube scripts, learn new skills, write code, summarize long documents, and even plan business ideas. For creators, ChatGPT is basically like having a personal assistant that never sleeps. And yes, the free version is powerful enough for most people. Next is Canva. If you have ever struggled with design, this tool will feel like magic. Canva uses AI to help you create YouTube thumbnails, Instagram posts, presentations, marketing graphics, logos, and brand kits. One of the coolest features is magic design. You simply upload an image or type a prompt and Canva automatically generates multiple professional designs in seconds. Even if you have zero design experience, you can create visuals that look like they were made by a professional designer. That's why millions of creators and businesses rely on Canva every day. Now let's talk about one of the most futuristic tools on this list, Runway. Runway is an AI video editing platform that can do things that used to require an entire film studio. For example, it can remove backgrounds from videos, generate video from text prompts, erase objects from footage, create cinematic visual effects. Imagine recording a simple video and instantly removing the background without using a green screen, or generating completely new scenes using AI. Many filmmakers and content creators are already using Runway to speed up video production dramatically, and the technology keeps improving every month. Next is one of the most impressive AI voice tools available today, ElevenLabs. This platform can generate extremely realistic human voices using AI. Instead of recording your own voice, you can simply paste text and generate a professional voiceover instantly. People use ElevenLabs to create YouTube narrations, audiobooks, podcast voiceovers, training videos, storytelling content. The voices sound incredibly natural, including tone, emotion, and pacing. Some creators even clone their own voice so they can produce content without recording audio every time. For faceless YouTube channels, this tool is a game changer. Next is a tool designed to organize your ideas, projects, and productivity, Notion AI. Notion already started as a powerful workspace for notes and task management. But with AI, it becomes even more powerful. Notion AI can help you summarize notes, generate blog posts, turn rough ideas into structured plans, create to-do lists automatically, and organize complex projects. Think of it as a digital brain for your work and ideas. Students, entrepreneurs, and creators use Notion AI to keep everything organized in one place. Next is a tool that is perfect for content creators, Pictory. Pictory can turn a simple script into a full video automatically. You paste your text and the platform adds stock footage, captions, background music, visual scenes, all generated with AI. This means you can create professional videos without filming anything yourself. Many faceless YouTube channels use Pictory to produce content faster than ever before. And if you combine it with good editing in tools like CapCut, you can create high-quality videos in a fraction of the usual time. Last, but definitely not least, is Claude. Claude is another powerful AI assistant, but it's especially good at handling long and complex information. For example, it can analyze long documents, summarize PDFs, write detailed articles, review code, explain complicated topics clearly. One of Claude's biggest advantages is its ability to process very large amounts of text at once. That makes it extremely useful for researchers, writers, and professionals who work with large documents. Many people even use Claude together with ChatGPT to get the best of both worlds. And those were 7 free AI tools that can save you hours of work every week. The best part? We're still just at the beginning of the AI revolution. New tools are appearing every month, and the people who learn them early will have a huge advantage. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to AI Made Simple for more videos where we break down powerful AI tools in the simplest way possible. And let me know in the comments, which AI tools surprised you the most? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video in